Ramya Prasad, and I'm an independent fashion jewelry designer. I have a business in the name of Manumay, and I like Manumay because it signifies a meaning, and it's an Indian name, so I like that. It sounded very modern as well. So I have a website that is also designed by myself. It's called manumayjewelry.com. You can go online, visit it, and you'll find everything, whatever I sell here, over there as well. All jewelry and accessories, including headbands and other hair accessories, are all designed by myself. I have a small studio room at my house in Mission Viejo in Orange County. That's pretty much my studio. I design everything by hand over there in a totally smoke-free, pet-free, very clean environment, so it's very cool. I do also customization, which is very nice because customers explain to me specifically what they want. It's like a challenge, it's a project for me, so I take that challenge and I do custom designing as well, and I really enjoy doing what I do. So what I have here are mostly jewelry, necklaces like this one. What I'm wearing is handmade by me again. It's a necklace set, beaded, large pendant. So you'll find statement jewelry like this, you'll find vintage, silver, gold plated, everything. I also designed rings, and recently I started designing hair accessories because I recently fell in love with headbands, and especially the ones that don't paint over here. So I make really paintless cloth headbands of various kinds. There are also a little bit of hair combs that you can put on your buns. So I think they usually become popular during wedding season because you have bridesmaids and brides who want to put something on their hair, and those are all very custom too. So I have hair combs, I have headbands, and I have jewelry, rings, earrings, and that's pretty much it. And the best thing I like about Raw is that it's providing a platform for independent designers like us to showcase our work, to show our work to people, and to also kind of promote our shop and basically just spread the word, spread the talent that everybody has over here. There's photography, there's every different kinds of artists inside, not just jewelry and fashion. There's photography, there's painting, there's clothing and makeup and everything. So the good thing, the best thing I like about Raw is they have focused on every aspect of creativity and not just focusing on fashion. So that's what I like about Raw. Hi, my name is Ramya Prasad. I'm here with my business, which is independent fashion jewelry and accessory design. I design them all by myself, and it's under a business name called Manumay. I have a website, it's called manumayjewelry.com. You can just Google for it and you'll find me over there, and I'm a Raw artist.